Wait. Just give me the chance to note. Okay. What question is saying? Just you shall prepare the format of co-columns. This will be adjustment table. Okay, and this will solve your question. What are the heads? Date of purchase, date of sale, date of closing. Now, come on the information, whatever the whatever first April 2010, plant and machinery for 1,20,000. Okay. 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 50. Okay. 25. Okay. On 5 January 2013. Ten. First April 2010 ना? अरे यार डेट बोलो. First April 2000. First January 2013. 1st January 2013, you have sold the machinery which was purchased on 1st April 2010 for 20,000 and for what amount? 6,000. Okay, understood? Yes. Right, like this. On 1st January 2013, you have sold the machinery. Date of sale. Which machinery? Which was purchased on 1st April 2010 for 20,000. Has been sold for 6,000. Like this, we can put the information out. I'll put it up. Just only one information is there. 10% repair plant and machinery. Repair plant and machinery. Account for 3 years. Providing nutrition for 10%. Okay. Plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery account for 3 years. What is the information of rate of interest providing interest rate? 10% on state line method. Date 31st March. 31st March. This is information. Now you may close your book. There is no need to see in the book. Just only you have all the information in front of you. Okay. You are going to prepare plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery account you are going to prepare it. For this purpose, you have made the format. What I have said that when you shall get these dates, you shall put in this side to when, and what when you shall get these dates, you shall put here by when. Means at that date you shall sell it. At the time of selling, you shall put here by when account. When you are going to purchase, you shall put here to when. Okay. You shall start from 1st April. 1st April 2010. April 1st to bank account. There is 1,20,000. Again, you should go forward and you should find out the 31st March. 31st March 2011 में आएगा. Before it, there is 1st October. 1st October 2010. You can't pass the dates. You shall take all the dates in sequence. to buy. Again, you have purchased a machine. This is for 50,000. Go. When what? Which date will come? 31st March or this?
2011
कौन सी आएगी पहले? 31st March 2011.
by depreciation.
जब जब 31st March आएगा, you shall calculate depreciation.
Yes, sir.
By
Depreciation. 14,500
account on first machinery,
So,
you shall calculate separately. You shall calculate, and there will be 2,500 because of you shall provide 10% for 6 months only. 14,500 total depreciation. The remaining balances of the machinery for first machinery. There is what will be the remaining balance of first machinery?
Sir, 8 lakh 8
1,08,000.
Yes, sir.
And for second machinery,
Sir, 25 sir, 47,000
whole
47,500.
47,500. Okay. 1,55,500. 1,55,500. This is the total. What will be the total? Total will be
1,70,000.
You are prepared for first year. Standard machinery for first year. He has said that you shall prepare for 3 years. Now in second year, you are going for 1st April 2011 to balance BD brought down. First machine is of your 1,11,000 and second machine is for 47,500.
8 lakh
ये हो गया. Now again the second in this year you have purchased again a machinery 1st July 2011. On 1st July 2011 again you have purchased a third machinery which is for 25,000. Okay. Now you go for 31st March 2012. By depreciation. जब आपका 31st March आएगा, you shall calculate depreciation. Now there is 3 machines. First machine is of rupees 1,30,000 original value, and you shall calculate the depreciation 12,000 for that machine. And second machine you shall calculate 5,000 for that machine. And third machine, this is this has been purchased on 1st July 2011. On first. Yes. What you are saying, Anshu? Off your mic. Priyanshu, off your mic. Mute your mic. ऑनलाइन होके बात करते हो? हाँ. This is 1875. Okay. You shall calculate depreciation for 9 months. From 1st July to 31st March, there will be 9 months, and this will be 1875. Now what? The balancing figure by balance CD. First machinery remaining, whatever the remaining machinery is, first machinery, there was 1,08,000 at beginning of year. You have provided 12,000 depreciation. Now, how much machinery is remaining here? कितना बची है? 12,000 माइनस कर दिया आपने तो क्या हो गया? You have subtracted 12,000. Now how much machinery is remaining? 96,000. And for second machinery there was 47,500. You have subtracted 5,000. 42,500. And for third machinery you have subtracted 1,875. What will be the machinery remaining? 23,120. The total balance, this is total balance of this depreciation is 18,875, and the total balance of remaining machinery is
Sir, 5, 2, 6, 8, 31, 10, 14, 16.
the total machinery 1,70,500, no? 1,70,500. 1,70,000. You have completed the plant and machinery account for 2 years. Now we are going for third year, and in third year, please see that whether camera covering it or not. Again the same particulars and all the information you shall put here. If you are changing the page, you shall put all the information again and again. Okay. Now you shall transfer on 1st April 2012. 1st April 2012 to balance BD. First machine, remaining machine is for 96,000. Second machine is for 42, and the third machine is for. Okay. Now you have got one date also. Again, Anna, in this date, this is before 31st March. Therefore, in this date, you shall sell the machine. On 1st Jan 2013, you shall sell the machine by depreciation. How much depreciation you shall provide? Now you are not selling total machine. Remember it, you are not selling total machine. You are selling the machine worth 20,000 only. So you shall provide depreciation on 20,000 machinery only, and that will be 1,500. आपने सिर्फ 20,000 की मशीन बेचा है. ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट 20,000 इज देयर. तो 20,000 का अप्रैल से मार्च जनवरी तक 9 मंथ. ओके, 9 मंथ के लिए आपका कितना हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी 1,500. ओके. अच्छा, नाउ यू आर सेलिंग फॉर 6,000. बाय. अब आपको सबसे जरूरी है ये पता करना कि व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर ऑफ दिस 20,000 मशीनरी. Very simple. You may rationalize it that what is the remaining balance at beginning of year of the 20,000? How? The total machinery. How? The value at beginning, value of machinery at beginning of year when selling a partial machinery. When selling of partial machinery, value of machinery at beginning of year, at beginning of year, at beginning of selling year will be equal to value, total value, ठीक है, total value at beginning of year upon original value into original value of sold machine, ठीक है ना, सोल्ड एसेट, मशीन कितना एसेट कर सकते हो. दिस इज द फार्मूला, यू कैन राइट डाउन, you can write down when selling of partial machinery, partial asset, you can say, you can write down partial asset. Okay, value of asset, value of asset at beginning of selling year, जिस साल में आप बेच रहे हो उस साल में वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट क्या होगी, वैल्यू ऑफ सेलिंग मशीनरी, वैल्यू ऑफ सोल्ड मशीनरी, वैल्यू ऑफ सोल्ड मशीनरी एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेलिंग ईयर, वैल्यू ऑफ सोल्ड मशीनरी एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेलिंग ईयर विल बी इक्वल टू, यू मे राइट डाउन फार्मूला, टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर अपॉन ओरिजिनल वैल्यू, अपॉन ओरिजिनल वैल्यू इनटू ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ सोल्ड मशीन, ठीक है ना. ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ टोटल मशीन कर सकते हो, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ टोटल machine asset. Okay, now this, by this formula just only you can rationalize it. The total value at beginning of year is 96,000, that the original value of that machine is 1,20,000, the original value of sold machine is 20,000, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू ऑफ सोल्ड मशीन इज 20,000. कितने का मशीन बेच रहे हो, 20,000 का, ठीक है ना. हा? अरे बिकी क्यों कौन बोल रहा है, you have sold for 6,000 ना, that what is the value at beginning of year you are going to find out ना. ये ओरिजिनल वैल्यू 20,000 है, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू जो आपकी 1,20,000 थी उसका वैल्यू, उसका प्रेजेंट वैल्यू एट बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर वैल्यू इज 96,000. देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 20 of the machinery which you are going to sold at beginning of year. Okay, what is the value, कितना हो जाएगा, what will the value, what will be the value, have you find out? Be fast. 16,000. The value of that machinery which you are going to sell, the value of that machinery at beginning of year was 16,000, and you have provided depreciation 1,500 at the time, up to the time of this year when you are going to sold. Okay, this is 14,500 and you have sold for 6,000. There is loss. What is the loss? 8,500 by statement of profit and loss. This is 8,500. हो गया, समझ में आ गया. Now on 31st March 2013 you again provide depreciation on first machinery. What is the balance of the first machinery? What is the balance?
You had purchased total machinery for 1,20,000. You have sold for 20,000. Now, what is the balance remaining? 1 lakh machinery. You have originally you have balance of one machinery is 1 lakh, and by 10% you shall provide depreciation 10,000. And for second machinery you shall provide depreciation 5,000, and on third machinery you shall provide depreciation 2,500. The total depreciation will be 17,500. Okay. Now the balance by balance CD. First machinery कितने की बची हुई है? You had machinery at beginning of year 96,000, from which you have sold 16,000, and you had remaining balance of the machinery at beginning of year is 80,000. And from 80,000 you have provided depreciation 10,000. The remaining balance is 70,000. And second, 37,500. Third, 2,500. Provide depreciation 2,500. What will the answer? 20,675. 625. Okay. This is the total balance. $1,28,005. And what was this balance? 1,61,625. ठीक है ना? 1,61,625, and here is 1,61,625. Okay. By this way you shall do this question.